In this video, I will show you how to get Discord token. So the first thing you need to do is to open Discord developers. Type this discord.com/developers/applications. Once you are here on this page, click on New Applications and type the name you want to create on applications. So for this example, I will type token and I will check the terms and services and go ahead and click on create. And check if you are a human. And now click on reset token here and click yes, do it. And type your password. Here I will type my PIN. Go ahead and click on submit. As you can see, it says that you are being rate limited. So that you're going to do is click on reset token, click yes, do it, and now new token was generated. And then copy your token here. You will see it here. Click copy. And then go ahead and go to 002. Scroll all the way down until you see scopes in URL generator. And then choose bot. Find it. And then click it. Then scroll all the way down until you see bot permissions. And here, check what you want to check in your permissions. So I'll check this. Check this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one. And once you're done, copy the generated URL here and go to new browser and paste it here. And the Discord will open. So scroll it and select a server. So I'll choose my server and click continue. Then click on authorize. Then I will check it. Then go to tutorial server, which is my server. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.